Here's a quick video covering how the AI prompting tool works. The tool makes it possible for you to create and execute AI prompts at scale. It also supports cell references, so you can build very long custom prompts with the data in your spreadsheet, and you can do that across hundreds and thousands of rows. So it can process massive tasks to drastically increase your productivity in Google Sheets. There are two ways how you can use this feature. Let me show you both of them real quick. Let's first navigate to the AI prompting tool screen. And there are two ways you can use this feature. The first one is the custom function that we have, and the second one is the sidebar. So let's begin with the custom function because that's the quickest and easiest way to do that. Let's say I want to translate this text from English to German so that we can translate our add-on to multiple languages to reach more customers. With Synterrix, it's a very easy thing to do. So I'm going to type the equal sign Synterrix, and I'm going to specify the task that I'm trying to do. And in this case, I want to translate this text from English to German. And now it's time to add a cell reference because we want to specify the exact text that we want to translate. And we want to do this across all these rows. So once we have our cell reference plugged in, we can just copy this formula down, and AI is going to process all of these prompts. So as you can see, your cell reference will be dynamically updated because we're not locking the cells. And that's the fast way to use this tool. But the problem here is that if you have hundreds or thousands of rows you want to process, the formula approach is going to fail, meaning that you're going to start getting errors because of sending too many API requests to OpenAI at the same time. And to work around that, we built a separate feature that makes it possible for you to do the same thing, but using the sidebar. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the same prompt and I'm going to drop it in here. Now, what I need, the last thing I need is the actual cell reference. So I'm going to select A2, and we have this chip that is going to paste cell reference in your prompts. As far as the creativity, I'm going to keep it at 50%, but if you want more rigid output, consider changing it, dialing it back a little bit. If you want the output to be more creative and have more variety there, considering just ramping it up to 80-90%. As far as the AI model for simple tasks, GPT-4o is the go-to model. It's the cheapest model, the fastest model. But if we're talking about complex tasks, especially generating content, I would go either with GPT-4 or GPT-4 32K. For now, I think GPT-4 is a decent model for this task. So one last thing, if I just want to translate the text from A2 and have the output returned in B2, we have our prompt ready to go. I just need to click on Generate AI Output. If I select at least two cells in the same column, I activate the batch execution mode. So basically doing the same thing that the formula did, only through the sidebar. So I'm going to select just a couple of them, and once the cells are captured, I'm just going to click on batch execution. The difference with this method is that it's going to pace the way that the calls are being executed. So if you have 1,000 examples, it can process that, no problem, just leave it running. The only downside is that it's a little bit slow, but we're working on increasing the speed with which the API calls are being processed. And that's basically the second way to use this feature. So our task is done. And if you want to check out different use cases and templates, you just in the AI prompting tool, just scroll a little bit below, and we have a lot of templates, a lot of practical use cases so that you can start getting value right away. We did all the work here for you, so you can get a lot of value from this tool without having to build anything from scratch. But of course, building something custom is the power, the true power of this tool, because it can adjust to any process, any task, so long as you have the right process in place. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much.